Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Seng Khasi Kmie mentah Khasi kala pentip Behdeiñkhlam ke jing syak khot semua baha ha Khasi ra jowai kan det ban Ïashim Bynta ha Khasi ban penkut ya ka Lehniam Behdeiñkhlam ban long la shai Khasi ha Khasi etnar ha jowai ka Lehniam Behdeiñkhlam kala ya la lai Khasi Bynta ha po ka jing pet ke jing Kmie jong Khasi ra jowai bat pen poino syak bakut la shai Khasi ha Khasi ba penkut ya ka jing Lehniam ki khun ki hajar jong Khasi ra bat ki badang bat ya kanyam tenrai kinwan syakapung bakentang ha etnar kinwan ra ru na ki dong bat ki shnong ya ki tabut bapher ki badan bat ki jingtho ki basong nong rim na kalyang ka Seng Khasi Kmie kanit ra ru ya ka we ka tabut sha etnar Presiden ka Seng Khasi Kmie urang ba don ko par dakar ulai thu balarai ban dei ra ya ka we ka tabut ya ka ba en pan poi menta ka miet la ni la shai min stem Ula ongru ba mentau snam ka kamlong kerpang namar kala dap nyobusan snam nadu bakari India kala yo ya jinglat duot nya ka jing senshar ki phareng bad ha ka jo ka por ka Meghalaya kala dap san phos nam kanthi nadu bala yo ya ka jalla la jong
Ila Behdeiñkhlam jongka jointas ki ba ka punde ka sedrat wa kini ke Lehniam sistem ka bujidan nadu Dain Thai, Behdeiñkhlam go, imsuk impali, ang juru dalam bandar di Kmie ki jiksme berkai kita di jiksu jaga Behdeiñkhlam di susu juga. Ini kalian ini dia don mentaban orang banya Lehniam Behdeiñkhlam nomor ba kini jong ki baki le ki sport jentia. Ini Namar dunia kejingai tinggi lomba mengi jentia ni tiga ju nyemi naju tendai iar peteng walong biu kan biu lomba tu sok bedeng te kum kadak kejingai ke buram maklian ban wala je tuli ko wi kalau ni kerpat kalian jo sendra ba tolong boleh pindah ai tebut ini agar Behdeiñkhlam tinggi Yesu ya Dimut dia kata Bernara dia tili kuih Kumang dia terilang Bos kata Kam tam ini kipor ba Ki Jingsa ben Jom ki Khasi jentia Ki ba Kesok ala kanam terai Kalau Laka bapalat Rakam dan dia tili Para mengilai Kalau Kau bagi jakoi Dia jadi ki Jika Bukan ki bawan Risok Kendi ki juan Kalau laduk Baka Paren kelawan ban Sinsa dan buat dia kena we Khasi jentia bi boleh jadi dak we di tubuhan pelpara pelpat penjat bat priti bat sustur bat yang berkom banyak ban sinsa so di hadian dia kita di kerpa lagi parlok dan saya dapat sedar jual banyak ketebut tinggi dari lewat di gelat di dari bu di dua di pirat naga kelong ke bisa kepada kunti baca kepada dimit banyak tes dong mengikum si para tinggal dah kau jemput di lain begini air kau ketebut kum kadang berburam ya ka kadang si Bynta jauh dia buram markelian bagi air ketebut kat kum jimpan joki Nampak bagi pan, bagi sudan bagi tak kalah unti, bata bila ada kadang bisa kadang tapi tak kadang pasti berubah, makam dan ka jingge begini tinggi lah. Ada kui ka jimut lai bat air tersebut, kemudian penpoi lah belum terjadian, tadi ekstra, saya terap ekstra. Di harus juga pun orang berjira ki kalau baka dap ni Islam ke India. Kesolkar ke kuat, ni kuat ini balik pelan buram maka kari ke mengisau ni di India kari kebalut nak ke jisiar dan buat di paling kum kedak buram yang terka segi jilayut atau jing sisiar dalam di yang di ya pelan buram yang kena kesiu ada terkadut dia juga kepuar milang di badan bok bahawa dia ni jisiar di paling milang jisiar apa lagi wei pergi jadi benriu kata rumah di asbis bersencari tentuai antara sampai senang nilai bersencari ladi tiga ni kata begini ke kebora kita ke jing so kumen disutna beglaya bersin siadal di alagari kejomi mentala kuma santusna di kani jing ya tu bud jing mentara kamut bagi atam taka tawa ki panam taka dika jindak ni sansdam joka Indian ni santusdam joka jinyo joka mekadas di rut kejomi nei galong ba haksam kibanwan ro lada upan jing tiar pantal kino jasa ba naka Kmie ni rum dan tigi bang sekolah buar ini lah kamdan nama nak jing pan nado ka sini dia pan bala dan ka lar ki bagi ben ai de ketebut te kamdan jing dia la charge ni ka song jing la ni anda kawan ke jing kerpa mentai ngana ka krani gini kumu longsan juga Seng ngana krani ki pralu Seng ki samla ki belum kum ki kuat ki pesat ki siap joma hato piadon piala buarno piadon porno piala mo je pesat ni la ki ngoi ini asa pram la ki pan kita ngau ngoi kan a tenre ki pesat ni juga kita don ki seben kita don ki jinte kita don lagi jing ki bakum ni kumpai let's see in abi to ki aim those them long inside
here because it will be the first time that Seng Khasi Kmie will be taking part in Behdeiñkhlam. We'll be taking a tabut into the Aitnar, the sacred pool of Sanrat Jawai. It's the 75th year of independence, 50 years of statehood, and coinciding with the first time in the history of Sanrat and Seng Khasi that we will be taking part, and that's something which we're really proud of. We know that everyone is going to get positive energy from it. It's one way of showing that our way of life, our religion is the same. There are many ways of performing the rituals, but the foundation is the same. And this is going to show the world that we are one, and it'll show the world the richness of Khasi and Jaintia Hills. Just a little bit of a historical context. From 1917 to 1940, Behdeiñkhlam was banned by the British. And so you have to realize that these cultural celebrations which have a religious foundation, in fact all culture stems from religion, were suppressed. And now we are proud to be part in a country where we can celebrate all of this freely, and we think this is going to give great energy to all our brothers and sisters in Meghalaya, the northeast, the country, where they will see Behdeiñkhlam 2022 Seng Khasi Kmie taking a tabut with a lot of meaning attached to it. That you'll have to wait till tomorrow. So I feel very proud and very honored that our president has taken great initiatives for us to join hands, especially with Sanrat Jawai, especially as we represent Niam Khasi Niam Tre, the indigenous faith born of Mother India, born of Ulum Sop Behdeiñkhlam, our sacred hill. We want this to carry on. We will take whatever pains and means to make it possible. In a very short amount of time, the response from our youth especially is really inspiring. They all want to join us to go to Jawai, to enter the pool, to receive the blessings, to give back energy to our brothers and sisters in Jawai. The unity is already there. It's only that we amplify the differences. When you break it down and you look at the Kmie, the foundation, it's the same. So all the rituals are foundationed on the same thing. So we have Shatsut Museum, many Sanrat youth come and dance. So now there's a beginning to say we can do it, but everything must be done the right way. And we have to show everyone that we have many differences, that's a beauty, but we are all from the same point of origin. Our diversity is our strength, is what I'm trying to say. But the differences that are highlighted were brought from somewhere else. They did not come from within the people of Khasi Chaitya.